Hello, wonderful men and women of good conscience, great lovers of freedom. How are you all doing today? Welcome back to this is our channel. Remember, the goal remains to create awareness for Biafra restoration, for freedom restoration. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. Turn on your notification bell so you will get notified whenever we upload new videos. And always endeavor to share, because you are helping someone, because you are making someone aware of what is going on. And I will let you watch this. Like the video, share it out, share it in any group, share it widely. Watch it to the end, and I will see you in the next one.
And we did Amaekpu Ohafia local government area, of course, in Abia state, and it been get some kata way happen. We be say if you don't watch the news and or listen to the news now, some people been they scattered. They call them IDPs for English. And some people they scattered. They know if the clash been happen. They say allegedly between soldiers and unknown gunmen, the thing been happen, and they complain harassment. So even the traditional rulers of the villages where they are Ohafia, they complain, say then they harass and intimidate their people. This one can lead to the people where they some villages for Ohafia. The clash been happen for Amaekpu Ohafia, but the people can't they scattered across Amaekpu, Amuke, Okon, Elu. They scatter for native compounds, and for some days now they don't they Amaekpu Ohafia. They there with some of their relatives. Some people they open native compounds for them. The last batch 9 then they so here we say they want transport go back their place where they stay. Ama. Good morning.
Morning, my dear.
Waiting happen we be say una day here for some days.
Anyway, I don't know the actual thing happen. All I know is that we save ourselves. We had a gunshot. Then we run away from our village.
How many days now don't they here now?
Today is Saturday, Sunday. Today make it 6 days.
Oh, now don't they here?
Yes.
Now come on a place for
on Saturday.
We come up Friday, Saturday. I hear say they transport people go back. Please don't return to that place. Now the last set of people be this.
Yes.
As it happen, waiting. We won't know. Just they hear gunshot come run come out. Waiting really happen.
We don't know. Make I help my auntie small. See you. Me say Pastor like this. I know the town. After my Abuja come. So my country myself, if you see me, you say I know nowhere. What my book my life, you say I nowhere. As I say my country to myself, as they give me drugs, my mother don't continue, push for food, my can't drink. Look here now, everywhere, even when I was in self, they flatten. Now I don't enter on that bed. Tell my mother, say mother, I don't talk bed, so that they come, they say an old woman they will leave me.
And I don't know where the gun they've come from.
We don't know what you do, they see now, but everybody, soldier, where we are tired restaurants with one kind of restaurant, they fight anyhow. Now I'm here, tell my mother, I don't talk bed, as I do on that bed. My mother say, in the fear, in mind, even myself, everybody, as I say, fiti like that, they me. Now so me from there with my jungle level. Now I come out. As I come out, people don't carry by everybody, they run, they come out. Now so we go inside bush, we go sleep for 2 days. Now
inside bush,
2 days.
2 days.
From there, we go follow corner from, because no people follow this road, because they say they day here. Now so everywhere just there. Now so we come walk out from bush, before we reach there, and the 9th. Now this Amaekpu Ohafia. As we just enter that side, they come call us, they come relax here. No be only here, we plenty. If you go that side, you go see under Obu, we plenty there, and that put there. But God don't help us. Food, they give us food, they chop, they bath.
So everybody for your village, Amaekpu Ohafia,
Amaekpu Ohafia. Nobody remain that place.
No one remain, even
if you say
even the blinds, they put fire. Even the blinds.
If you go there and I go video our house, many places don't scatter them.
They say we hear say them burn houses there.
No be say they burn houses. They burn our houses. No be say they burn house. No be say they say. I say they burn our houses. No be 1, no be 2, no be 3, no be 4. Plenty house for Amaekpu that they don't scatter them. They don't bring motors, cars, everything. That machine.
Hope say nobody die.
People die now. How you tell say nobody die? People die. People die.
Many.
Now for one front now they see the people where they shoot. My own place where are they? Because our heart just there for front. So it's tired. Even as I tell like this, my mind they do. If I hear Pona, my mind will go up. Now one man come here, can't give off medicine. Even now you see say medicine in my pocket. Now they take now so that my mind go to calm down. Small thing, my mind just boom. You feel like a fence.
For like 6 days now, all of them don't day here. They live where with Nnamdi and everybody.
Even to go now, they fear to go.
Many of us still
I fear to go, but I don't get to get to go. I must go take my medicine. So
this place whole na day now, and they take care of now.
Very, very well. As I tell you, see my belly, I don't chop. I don't chop.
3 square meal.
I don't chop. I don't believe. I don't
morning, afternoon, and the evening. Different,
they really try for
delicious food.
Now they are where the place where they carry, or they take on. We hear say some of them they don't carry some of them.
They don't carry many people. They go. Motor they come. Even as we dey here now, we stay away for post.
They are where they carry on.
For my own place, now they carry.
Back to now. Waiting I get to tell the people of this community.
May they help us. So don't be say wait to get plenty. May they help us. This thing now don't tire us. We don't have to go no go to this again now because this day now some will do the high. No half to stay again. May they help us, I beg.
The government of Abia State, which one they take?
May they help us. Now, boss. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Now, so it be here now for Amaekpu Ohafia. Now, the last batch of the IDP where they transport today, they say they don't stay here for like 6 days now due to waiting happen. All these places go down to some other side now, native compounds where they open. People will get relatives, they allow them stay with their relatives because of the things where happen. This place now, where we did so, now Amaekpu Ohafia and now Amaekpu Ohafia rather, and where the thing happen now Amaekpu Ohafia. And most of them they scattered around Amaekpu. They scattered to Amuke, Okon, and Elu. As you see now the last set of the IDPs be this. Then plenty past this, but bus we even miss some of the bus for road. Where don't they carry the people go?
In the youth car, in our own dialect, in the Ohafia dialect, can you just tell us little thing you know that happened today this morning concerning the Fulani herdsmen?
The nsogbu emberekwa na-enwe njichi ndị awụ ọha ndị enwe na Ohafia manelụrụ ndị onwe gwele egbe ma sọfịa anyị ebibaga ebi nwa mmadụ nwa wenye nji aka na manye erikachile ife ebe ndị mmụọ mgbu ọ ga-abịa egwu ebe ọhụrụ ma akpụ blọk ụzọ mmadụ ya mgbe egwu ubi gafọ na ma wọ erikachile ife bụ ndị mmụọ na-akwa ebe ọ yuru mgbe kwa adịsị ụrụ dị gaza oru mgbe kwa lai 10 hectares. So, one don't know what did you which you go and do. You let one I got people for you and got before self. What's it done? Abia money from them. All not come and them and the guy. Ejuma Ebem, Luana Nofia. If we ever be Luana and you to the lower. The government of the top, or that little Happy do a
Okay, thank you, Mr. Obasekala, the youth chairman, Ohafia local government area. Thank you. Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching. We are here at Mari Road, Ebem, Ohafia, where we caught some Fulani herdsmen destroying our mother's farm with their cows. They were caught with some AK-47. As you can see, this is our mother's farm. They have rendered it useless. They cannot be able to uproot what they planted anymore. This is Fulani herdsmen destroying our mother's farm with their cows.
150 hectares.
This is the land. This is the farm where Fulani herdsmen came in with their cows to chase away our old mothers in order for their cows to be able to eat their maize, everything they planted here in this farm. I want the world to watch and see what is happening, to see what our mothers are passing through, to see that Fulani herdsmen are the real unknown gunmen who are terrorizing our people here in Ohafia. Yeah, you can see for yourself. Mama, ka akwa ina wamba wabia munda wo sambu na mawabia. Okay, ka. So always kuna ma wa be atabishi akuku no ebo. One maybe she fedu mo no kwaku. So badege.
Ubi anye nkori ya na abule.
Baba ma.
Nkori ya ni ogubale.
Imini ya. We kuna ma wa bansi mebe nwa no kwefe. Yo na atabishi be.
Papa du na abule ma ife du meli.
Na ma hu. Big one ko.
Okay. The cow. The nama. Okay. Okay.
Anga ga bu anla ga ba wa bia.
Wa chupusa ya be na atabishi na akuku. Okay.
Ife dum de ebo maji. Maji o fe po shibaleji.
Okay. And what phone so? We ji babia.
Daga na akolo wa pa we ji daga. We ji daga.
Okay.
So you did not condemn the thing?
How will I not condemn it? Okay. How will I support it?
You all found where they're here. Don't finish it.
Yeah, because you have a sarako there.
See there, like this. Go down. Maybe as this sleep, the number enter.
You know, say this thing no be person carry am. You know, say
now ghost carry am.
No, I say the person where they carry, you know they what the carry.
Before you want sleep, I'm supposed to inside bush. And you know what? Now that time when I come in, I don't say one person cannot carry 15 numbers.
Alhaji, as this farm there now.